Let me ask you something that might sound crazy. Have you ever started eating healthier, cutting out junk, cleaning up your meals, maybe even doing everything right, and suddenly you're more hungry than ever? Not snacky, not bored hungry, but real, constant hunger. You're thinking, why is my hunger worse when I'm eating healthy? Why am I always hungry while dieting? Isn't this supposed to get easier? This is one of the most confusing experiences in fat loss, and it's the exact reason so many people quit right when progress should start. Today, I want to explain why hunger gets worse when you start eating better, what's actually happening inside your body, and how to fix it without eating less, suffering more, or wrecking your metabolism. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new shred fat videos every week to help you burn fat faster, eat smarter, and transform your body without starving yourself. Here's the most important thing to understand right away. Hunger during fat loss is not a willpower problem. It's not because you're weak. And it's definitely not because you're doing something wrong. In fact, for many people, hunger gets worse because they started eating better. Let's break down why. The clean eating confusion phase. When most people clean up their diet, a few things usually happen at the same time. They eat fewer calories. They cut back on fat or carbs. They switch to clean foods, salads, lean protein, low-calorie meals. On paper, this looks perfect. But your body doesn't read nutrition labels the way you do. Your brain doesn't see healthy choices. It sees change. And the human body is wired to be suspicious of change, especially when energy intake drops. This is where hunger during fat loss really begins. Appetite hormones. Turn up the volume. Two hormones control most of your appetite. Leptin is the hormone that tells your brain, we're full, we're safe. Ghrelin is the hormone that says, eat. Now. When calories drop too quickly, meals become smaller, or food becomes less satisfying, this happens. Leptin levels fall. Ghrelin levels rise. That combination creates constant hunger, even when you're eating healthy foods. This is why people say things like, I'm eating clean but always hungry. My appetite increased when I started dieting. Why does eating better make me hungrier? It's not in your head. It's biology. Clean food doesn't automatically mean full. Here's a truth most diets never explain. You can eat nutrient-dense foods and still not eat enough. A big bowl of vegetables with very little protein, fat, or total calories might stretch your stomach, but it doesn't calm appetite hormones. This is why low-calorie diets, low-fat diets, and even low-carb approaches often lead to stronger hunger, especially later in the day. Your body keeps asking, where's the energy? Where's the fuel? Why are we not safe yet? Hunger is simply your body asking for reassurance. Blood sugar swings make hunger louder. Another reason hunger gets worse when you start eating better is blood sugar instability. When meals are too small or poorly balanced, blood sugar rises quickly, then crashes. And blood sugar crashes feel like sudden hunger, shakiness, irritability, fatigue, strong cravings. Most people blame this on lack of discipline, but it's often insulin resistance combined with poor meal structure. Your body isn't being dramatic. It's asking for stability. Why dieting feels harder over time. There's another layer most people don't see. When you eat less for too long, your metabolism adapts. This is called metabolic adaptation. Your body becomes more efficient. It burns fewer calories. It conserves energy, and it increases appetite. This is why hunger feels stronger the longer you diet. It's why fat loss stalls, why cravings get worse, why energy drops. This is also why most diets fail, not because people lack motivation, but because the body is doing its job. Your metabolism isn't broken, it's protective. Nutrient deficiencies quietly increase hunger. Another overlooked reason hunger increases when eating better is micronutrients. When people diet, they often unintentionally reduce things like sodium, potassium, magnesium, dietary fat. Deficiencies in these nutrients can increase hunger signals and cravings. Your brain interprets missing nutrients as, keep eating until we get what we need. So even if calories seem fine, hunger stays elevated. Stress makes hunger louder. If you're dieting and stressed, hunger almost always increases. Cortisol, the stress hormone, raises appetite and drives cravings, especially at night. This is why late-night hunger feels so intense when calories are low, sleep is poor, stress is high. That night, hunger isn't a lack of self-control. It's stress biology. The reframe. Most people need to hear. Here's the part that surprises people. Sometimes the fastest way to reduce hunger is to eat more, strategically. That means more protein intake for fat loss, enough dietary fat to support hormones, fiber that actually creates satiety, meals structured to stabilize blood sugar. When your body feels safe, hunger turns down. This is how sustainable fat loss actually works, not by fighting hunger, but by resolving it. What to do if you're always hungry while dieting? If hunger got worse when you started eating better, ask yourself a few honest questions. Am I eating enough protein? Are my meals balanced? Am I under-eating without realizing it? Is stress driving my appetite? Am I chasing low calories instead of satiety? Fat loss works best when hunger is managed, not ignored. When hunger stabilizes, consistency becomes easy. If you've ever felt frustrated because eating healthy made you hungrier, I want you to hear this clearly. Nothing is wrong with you. Your body was responding exactly as designed. The goal isn't to overpower hunger. The goal is to understand it. And once you do, fat loss becomes calmer, more sustainable, and far easier to maintain. If this video helped you understand why hunger gets worse when you start eating better, make sure you're subscribed. This channel is dedicated to helping you burn belly fat, improve metabolism after 40, and lose fat without fighting your body. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a shred fat tip. And for the full breakdown, tap the link on screen right now to watch the complete video now.